Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, each and everyone. In the previous lecture, I have taught you how to make a flower bouquet. So, in this class, what we are going to do, we are going to make a freehand design of a hand fan. So, I want each and everyone to be ready with all those materials: your drawing book, pencil, eraser, scale, and your colors. You can use a poster color, you can use watercolor, or you can use oil pastels also for coloring. And keep in mind that you have to make a big size of hand fan. Okay, so I'm going to make it. Just pay attention to this lecture, and same way you're going to do it. Okay, you can use your own ideas for doing this. So let's begin with this. This is my drawing book. Okay, so here I'm going to make a hand fan in a standing way. Okay, for making the hand fan, you can use the scale. Okay, for making the hand of the hand fan. So just look at this. You have to make a bigger size. Okay, just make a big size of hand fan. You can use your own creativity for making this hand fan. You can use your own ideas for drawing this. Okay, so here I have made two lines. So now on this top of this, I'm going to make a design. You can use your own ideas for designing the hand fan. Okay, if you have, I know you have the more ideas than me, so I want each and everyone to use all those things and you can do it. So just pay attention. This is how I'm designing the hand of the hand fan. You can use your own ideas for drawing it. Just look at this. So this is the handle which I have made. Okay, and at the end I'm going to add some design over here. So this is the handle which I have made. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the fan design. So the hand fan is bigger in size. Okay, so just look at this. You can use your own ideas for drawing it. I hope each and everyone have seen the hand fan. Just raise your hand. How many students have seen the hand fan? Have you ever seen how the hand fan looks like? Okay, so this is how I have made the design over here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the first, I'm going to give a slight semicircle like design over here on this part, and then here I'm started designing it. You can create your own design for making the hand fan. Okay, so this is how I have created a design. Now I'm going to give a beautiful design in this. can design it with your own ideas. I want a creative hand fan. Use your own ideas and do it. You can add any design you want. You can do it. Okay, so just look at this. So now let's begin with this. Am I audible to each of you? Everyone can hear me? Just drop a message in the chat box. Okay. Okay. So after doing this, here I have started making the design. So here I'm adding a flower design in this. You can use your own ideas and you can do it. So just look at this. This way I'm adding the design, and then here I'm giving a adding a border to it. Adding some circle designs in this. Okay. Now here I'm adding some freehand design in this. So just look at this. You can use your own ideas, your own designs. Okay. You can add and you can do it in this way. This way you can make the design. This way you can make the design of the fan, and in this I'm going to make some circles or a peacock feather like design. I'm going to make it in this. Okay, this way I'm adding a peacock feather design. Use the pencil very lightly. This way you're going to add the design. Okay, after doing this, here you can see there are some space in this, so you can add much more designs in this. You can add some designs in this way for filling the gaps. See, just look at this. This is the way how you're going to make the hand fan. Okay, you can add some designs in this. So Here I'm going to add some circles. Okay, this way I'm adding the design, and then I'm adding some strips on this in this way. Okay, so this is how I have drawn the hand fan. Just look at this. You can create your own designs and you can do it. So here you can see there is a flower. Here I have given some freehand designs. As you have complete with this, you can color it with oil pastels, you can color it with watercolor, poster color. Okay, so here I'm using a watercolor. So first I'm starting coloring the handle. For coloring the handle, here I'm using a first I'm using a yellow color. Okay, and here I have started coloring this. Just look at this. Use the pencil lightly. Okay, don't use the pencil in a dark way. So here I have used yellow. Now I'm using ochre yellow color for giving the darker tone, medium tone. This way you're going to color it. Okay, so this way you're going to color it. Afterwards, you can add some dark brown color in this. As you can see, there I'm using three tones: light tone, middle tone, and the dark tone. So same way you're going to do it. Just look at this. Yes, this way you're going to color it. Afterward, as you have completed with this, you can take any another color and you can start. Here I'm coloring the down part. So for that I'm using a green color. Okay, then I'm going to use some dark green color to give a 3D look. Now I'm going to use some light green color. on this part. Yes, this way. On now I'm going to color this part. So for coloring that part, I'm using a blue color. So just look at this. First, I'm going to color it in this way. And then I'm just going to merge the color in this way. Just look at this. Okay. Then I'm going to use a dark blue color. And I'm going to start color it from this way, from this part. This is how you're going to color it. Okay, and then you can take and you can just merge it in this way. Just look at this. This is how I have merged the color. Yes, so you can see there is a 3D look. And then I'm going to take some white color in this. In the center, I'm going to add a white color in this way. Yes, so this is how I have done it. Now I'm going to color the top part. So I'm going to color it with red color. So just look at this. First, I'm going to take a dark red color over here. Just look at this. So here I've taken a red color in this part, giving a border over here. And then I'm going to take a yellow color and start coloring it from here in this part. And just look at this. Look at the shade. Yes. So this is how you're going to do it. Just look at this. So this is how you're going to color it. Now I'm going to start coloring this. First, I'm going to give a red color border. As you can see, this is the border which I have made. So I'm going to add the red color in this. So here I have taken a red color and I'm going to start color it from this side. First color the border and then color the inside part. Yes, your coloring should be proper in this. Then you're going to get much more some marks in this. Your main thing is the coloring part, how you color and how you get the proper shades in this. Okay, so just look at this. This is the way how you're going to do it. Okay, first color the border in this way. Give a color it in a proper finishing, and then you can color the inside part. First color the border in this way so that your color should not go outside. So this is how you're going to do it. Yes, this is how you're going to color this. Yes. So this is how you're going to color it. Why I'm telling you to color the border first? Because when you color the border first, your color will not go outside. So just look at this. Your color will be going in a proper finishing way. Yes, just look at this. Your hand fan should look much more attractive. So this is the way how you're going to do it. So this is how you're going to color the border. After finishing the border and move to the inside part. So here you can see there is one more strip over there. So here also I'm going to add a red color. This is how you're going to color it. Yes, just look at this. This is the way how you're going to do it. In the design there should be a repetition, so this is how I'm repeating the color. Yes, this is how you're going to do it. After doing this, I'm taking a yellow color and I'm going to start coloring the this part. This way I'm going to color the inside part of the fan. If you are using a poster color, use much you have to use more amount of color and less amount of water. Okay, don't use more amount of water in what whenever you're using a poster color, you will get a patchwork. Okay, so this is I'm using a watercolor, so I have to use more water in this. Okay, so this is how I'm doing it. Be very careful whenever you're coloring. Your coloring should not get merged in another design. Okay, so you have to be very careful whenever you're coloring. So just look at this. Okay. Okay. So this is how you're going to color the hand fan. You can create your own design as I have told you earlier also. You can create your own design and you can color it. Okay. So this is how I have colored this hand fan over here. So now I'm going to get a orange color. So here I'm taking orange color and I'm going to color the flower with orange. Just look at this. So here I have got the orange color. Now I'm going to take a brown color and I'm going to color the center of the flower. In this way. Okay. Then on this part I'm going to color it with green color. This way you're going to color it. You have to be very careful so that your color should not get merged while using the poster. You have to be very careful. So this way you're going to color the inside part. In this way you can add the shades. Okay, after you complete with this, we are going to take a blue color. Here I'm going to start coloring this part with blue. Yes, so this is how you are going to color the fan. Very patiently you have to do this. Yes, so this is how you're going to color the fan. I hope each and everyone is getting this, how to do it. Yes, this way you're going to color the fan. Color the border and then color the inside part. I hope each and everyone is getting this, how to do it. From dark to light, I'm going, just look at this. I hope each and everyone has got the idea how to do it. Just look at this. Yeah, I have used the color with light to dark tone. Yes, now some points are remaining, so there I'm going to use a red color. Okay, yes, this way you're going to do it. Just look at this. Okay, I hope each and everyone have got this, how to do it. Yes, let the color dry and then I'm going to color it inside. I hope each and everyone has understood this. Yes.